Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to turn a photo into a futuristic blueprint. Open any subject or building photo, distort it black and white, apply fine edges filter for wire outlines, invert the colors using Ctrl plus I. Fill the background with navy blue, set line layers to screen and add grid patterns overlay with low opacity, paint glowing dots and intersections points. Add text and data like a technical drawing, apply outer glow for cane lights, use vignette to enhance focus. Now add a glow particles for futuristic touch. Your blueprint design looks like sci-fi tech. Thanks for watching.